Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, especially the researchers, faculties, and those who are doing PhD. Okay, in this video, again I'm coming back with one AI tool that can be helpful for your research work, even for researchers. Even this tool is helpful for teachers and as well as the faculties. Before getting started with the video, I request those who are watching this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your individual subscription gives lot of motivation and lot of energy to create educational content. Please, my request to you to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you. Let's get started with the tool. So in this video, I'm going to teach you one such AI tool that is helpful for not even for researchers, even for the engineers. So that tool I'm going to teach is that Claude AI. You might have heard this word Claude AI. So this is the tool I'm going to teach or else explain in this video. So when you type it Claude AI, so this option you have to click it. Can you able to see? Hope you can see this. Claude AI is a next generation AI assist built of Anthropic and trained to be safe, accurate and secure to help you to your best work. Correct? So when you get this window, you just click on this link. When you click it on it, so you will get this window, and here it will the main window. When it get open, here you can see that how can I help you today. Okay, that means it will help you in many ways, to the teachers, even to engineers, students. You can many can get help from this AI tool. Okay, other here you can see that there will be three options on your left. One is new chart, then charts and artifacts. So when you go to new chart, so this is the same window you're going to get it. Here you can just type what you want. Then if when you start it, it will give you the result. And when you go with the charts, so whatever the charts we have created or else we have worked, that list it will be showing it. Then when you go to artifacts, here you can see that so what all the output or else the what all the work can be done by using this app, it will be shown. So for example, here writing editor is there, flashcards also you can create, Anthropic office simulator also you can create, code converter, for example Python to Java, Java to Python you can convert. Then Pilingo means you can create the code and edit the code or programming. Then Molecule Studio, then QR code also you can generate, AI platformer game, then attachment style quiz. Like this, so many options are there. You can go with whatever you want. I can tell that like with this AI tool you can do lot of work. Not only one, like one or two, you can do lot of work. For example, one I'll show you here, Molecule Studio. So when you click it on that, you will get this window, and here you can see that Molecule Studio. For example, if you are a chemistry person and you're looking for some structure of the like particular molecule, then you can just have to, here you can see that some of the molecules have mentioned. So I'll go with like ammonia, and it will start loading, and it won't take that much time to create the molecule. Here you can see that, so you will get the molecule. So like that you can go with like whatever the molecule structure you want to see, how atoms or is the bonds or is the formula, that you can get it like within fraction of seconds. Okay, this is like one example, I'm just showing it to you. And if you want to like create the flashcards in the sense anything with respect to uh, like for especially for the teachers, it will work out. So capitals of India, capital of India, or else no, I'll give you sorry, different like states of India. So I just want to, I'm giving generate flashcard. So hardly it will take like 2 3 like 30 to 40 seconds to create the flashcards. So here you can see that it has created Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra. So like that it will create the flashcards, and then you can go with the export also, and you can go with the customize option also. Like this, different tools are available, and you can generate the QR code also. For example, if you want to create your website QR code, or else YouTube create code, or else the Instagram app code, whatever the link you are going to upload over here, for that QR code will be generated even for the Google Map. For example, if you want to share the location to some friends, so with this you can generate a QR code. You can aram se generate the QR code. So like that you can see like many apps are available tools, and you can see that language learner are also there. Like there you can see French, Spanish, German, Japanese, Italian, Portuguese, like whatever the language you want to learn. So especially for the beginners it is going to be helpful. Like that, so many tools are there. You can go with the respect to like what exactly you are looking for. So here you can see that project dashboard generator. So here you can generate the graph, or is the, for example, timeline if you want to create for your like Gantt chart for students project work, or is work for your research work, or is the PhD work. If you want to create the Gantt chart, that you can go with this kind of map. You just have to give the input. Otherwise, if you want to create like any Excel graph also like this, vertical lines, you can go with that. As the status like distribution curve, as the map if you want to create, you can go with that also. Like so many things can be done with this tools. So depending upon your requirement, many tools are there. With respect to that, you can go which one you want. And majorly I want to show the one thing. Here you can see that I'll go out of this, and you can, when you click the new chart, so how can I help you? So here you can type whatever. For example, here you can see that one thing I'll show you. I'll just give, I want to create an login page for my students. Okay, their input is student name and roll number. So just I want to create an working like separate tab. In that the input should be like name of the student and the roll number. So when you click on the enter button, it will start creating. Here you can see that I'll create login page for student name and roll number. This will be clean functional interface that you can use as a straight point. You can see it here. It will create the tab window, that is interface, that you can just have to copy paste. Here you can see that on your right it is creating the program. It is generating the program, and that program you can copy paste. And one thing you can, yes, you see that whatever the input have given, based on that it has created the window. And here you can see that it is not the image, it is, you can access it and you can download. When you go with this program, whatever the program I have given, that you can copy paste. Right, I'll give, please include uh, OTP page tab. Okay, so I'm asking login page. So whatever the data I've given, based on that also, here you can see that it has started creating the program. And one more thing, you can copy this. Here you can see the copy option is there. The whole program you just have to copy and paste it, and you can run whichever the platform you want to run the platform. So it is like one benefit. If you want to create any login page to any kind of functions or any kind of requirement, that you can do it within like 4 to 5 minutes, and later on you can work on it. Correct. In the first stage, whatever the main data is required, that you can get it from this, and later on you can work on that. Here earlier the OTP was requirement was not there. Now I have added it. Let me check, or let me see how the window as the interface will be created by using this AI tool. Yeah, here you can see that earlier the only student name and the roll number was there. Now you can see that send OTP. The registered mobile number is there for the student. For that the OTP will be sent. That is for like verification. So when you student enters that OTP, so you will get this. The people will be getting the login. It will allow to login. So like that, whatever the window you want to page you want to create, interface you want to create, that you can create it easily with this AI tool. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. If you feel this video is helpful, please comment on this video, support this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. That's all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.